What's going on, guys? I'm Nick from AWS On Air. I'm here with my friend Sumit from the AWS Hybrid Cloud and Edge Computing team. Sumit, why don't you introduce yourselves to everybody?
Hi everyone, my name is Sumit Manara. I'm a hybrid and edge compute specialist solutions architect based in Sydney, Australia.
Are you just super jet lagged right now?
Yeah, just 20 hours of flights and 5 hours of driving with this gear with me.
Oh, I'm sure that was great. Easy to get through customs, obviously. Probably super easy time, fun time.
I had to justify what this metal is doing at the customs.
Yeah, but hey, that is his commitment to you guys to bring this demo to us. So let's get into the tech we're showcasing here. What is this booth about that we're talking about today?
So this demo showcases how AWS Hybrid and Edge Compute services can help customer get the consistent experience irrespective of where they are located. This
Gotcha.
can be, for example, in the region where they're there, or maybe a metro city where they need the users to be able to have an optimal experience.
Gotcha.
First off, for example, we have AWS local zones.
Okay.
Now there might be cities where customers are not closer to the region, but they want to give a consistent user experience in terms of latency or local data processing. I'm getting a lot of data. I want to get real-time insights to that.
Okay.
For that, you can have local zones across 33 locations in the world, and if the users are closer to that, you can serve your content or applications from that. In this
Gotcha.
case, for example, my colleague Nick is driving a high-fidelity 3D terrain. This 3D terrain is from Outback, Australia, all the way designed by AWS as such at this stage. But yeah, you can see this 3D terrain is simulated using Las Vegas local zone.
Okay.
GPU capabilities, basically on-demand pay-as-you-go model, kind of same cloud concepts as such.
Gotcha.
But what it does is consistent single-digit millisecond latency, so that you do not have the lags in serving the contents to your end users.
That's fantastic.
Use cases could be cloud gaming. It could be you have an NFL game. You want instant replay. You can do that one using this thing. Instant votings or immersive experiences in stadium. All those things can be delivered using local zones and this kind of use case.
Gotcha. So local zones really just brings you more capability to wherever you are in the world.
Exactly.
It allows the cloud to grow to places that may have been too remote to have it beforehand.
Right.
Gotcha. That's super cool and obviously very important for our customers. There's so many edge use cases that would be helped by that, right? So
Terrific.
I know that's kind of what we're demoing today. So can you walk us through what this demonstration is and kind of what we're seeing play out here?
Yes. So one bit is which we already saw from the local zone. We have a high fidelity 3D simulation running from the local zone itself.
Okay.
Second one is the connected fleet,
Okay.
where we get the telemetry data. And you can give it a shot yourself. We have the data coming in from the device, which is going to give you a real-time insight locally and update it. It's a 5-second delay as such. And
there we go.
it's going to update in the region as well. What it does is you can have real-time insights using something like AWS Snow Cone. You have a machine learning model trained in the region. You can do the inference locally. Imagine a driver being able to detect if the driver is smoking, or just having a phone conversation on the phone. You can have a driver safety detection locally and alert the driver themselves.
Gotcha.
At the same time, having thousands of vehicles, you can get the data in AWS region using IoT services and have the view of the whole fleet. What exactly is happening, how much might load. In this case, you just overloaded and broke the vehicle. So which means this driver is not performing well, or the vehicle is not performing well, and this maybe lead to a higher, poor fuel efficiency, or longer time to go, etc. like that.
Gotcha.
In turn, having the fleet view enables you to have the overall view of how my business performs by getting the more data.
Yeah, so it gets you more data real time. You're able to monitor stuff more real time and solve for those inefficiencies as they happen, rather than finding out maybe a week later that this truck breaks. I can see it right now.
Definitely.
Right? Gotcha.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
awesome. Are there any other use cases that you can think of kind of off the
So
top of
from
your
the
head for
telemetry
this?
perspective, we have customers actually, real customers using for agricultural monitoring. So you can monitor your soil, humidity, or any pest control, etc.
that's awesome.
by flying drones in there, getting the telemetry data locally. Do I want to spray my fertilizer in that location or not? At the same time, get the whole fleet-wide view that, okay, how is my crop performing across thousands of acres of land?
Yeah.
Disaster responses, you can have something like a snow cone as a cloud in a backpack and get real-time insights into the location of your disaster teams or alerts around if someone is nearly unwell, and you can get those heartbeat data in there as well.
Gotcha.
So all those telemetry responses with Snow Cone, you can have like a cloud in a backpack.
That's amazing. It's bringing so much more data, so much more efficiency. Like, there's so much room for improvement in efficiency and kind of getting everything done faster and better. So love this demo. Is there anything you kind of want to leave our customers with? What's the final selling point here to get them to come check out this booth?
So AWS Hybrid and its compute services get AWS to customers where they need it to have the consistent AWS experience for managing and being able to modernize your workload based on your requirements. Hybrid and edge compute services are extension of the region, so be it far edge, which is disconnected mode, starting from the space to those remote edge location under the sea, etc. like that, to your on-premises, to metro cities, to the region. This is the whole cloud continuum with AWS extending it depending upon where the workload requires it.
That's awesome. This is such a cool use case. I highly encourage everybody to come check it out. We are at the EBC Lounge here, and I think level 4 of the Expo Center here at AWS reInvent. Back to you guys at the desk. Thank you so much for your time here today.
Thank you so much.